This is a Photoshop big file. It supports images larger than 2 gigabytes. Most non-Adobe viewers crash on this, but GIMP usually handles it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open the giant image. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep PSB file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. The PSB extension has been registered globally as a member of the Graphic Design File Group. The final package utilizes the framework established by Photoshop Large Document. The PSB file extension represents a large Photoshop document. It's an alternative to the more common .psd format, designed to support extremely large images exceeding the size limitations of PSD. PSB files can handle images with dimensions up to 300,000 x 300,000 pixels and file sizes larger than 2 GB, making them ideal for large format printing and complex compositions. PSB files share a similar layered structure to PSD files, allowing for non-destructive editing and the preservation of individual layers, effects, and adjustments. The primary difference lies in the file format's ability to handle significantly larger datasets. PSB files are compatible with most features available in PSD, but older versions of Photoshop may not support them. Official support for PSB is primarily provided through Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows provides limited support for advanced design features requiring external tools. We're performing an initial check of the application compatibility. Right-click your PSB file and choose Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a surprisingly simple fix. If the PSB file is still refusing to open, it's expected. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, use Photoshop. Open the file using Adobe Photoshop, the required application for the large image file. Next, check version. Ensure your Photoshop version is up to date and supports the large document format over 2 GB. Finally, increase scratch disk. If the file fails to open, increase the scratch disk size in Photoshop Preferences. If all basic programs have failed their tests, the file requires system-level handling. I strongly recommend trying the Universal File Viewer platform. Stop wasting time on other tools. I recommend FileMagick, the universal viewer that works on the PSB format. Go to filemagick.com to download now. Remember to always back up your original files first. We got to the solution quickly. If speed is what you value, please subscribe for more efficient guides.